Water. What is water? Water is crucial for the survival of both humans and animals. It plays a vital role in various bodily functions such as digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Additionally, water is essential for maintaining hydration, which is necessary for overall health and well-being. Water sources are also crucial for habitat and ecosystems in the natural environment, providing a lifeline for countless species. Access to clean water is a fundamental human right, and its availability directly impacts public health, agriculture, and economic development. Overall, water is indispensable for sustaining life on Earth. Uses of water. Water is essential for all forms of life and is used in a wide variety of ways. Some common uses of water include drinking, bathing, washing clothes and dishes, cooking, and agriculture. It is also used in industrial processes, power generation, and recreational activities. Preservation of water. Preservation of water is crucial to ensure that there is enough clean water available for current and future generations. This can be achieved through various conservation methods, such as fixing leaks, using water-efficient appliances, and practicing responsible irrigation techniques. Additionally, protecting water sources from pollution and minimizing water waste are important for preserving this precious resource. Conserving water ultimately helps to maintain ecosystems, support biodiversity, and sustain human well-being.